Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here. So let's talk about some of my absolute must-haves, pantry staples for your kitchen to make your cooking so much easier and so much tastier, and better yet, so you're not just purchasing something and then maybe using it once, maybe twice, and then it sits there in your cupboard taking up space. When you go to clean out your cupboards, maybe 3 years later, whatever, you go, okay, this is like 3 years old, I'm just gonna toss it. So these will not go to waste, okay? So let me talk about my absolute favorite that once you do have it, you will wonder why you did not have it sooner. Toasted onions. So you might be wondering, what's this toasted onion all about? In cooking, in pretty much any recipe, soups, meats, potatoes, like proteins, pastas, whatever, you will probably always need a little bit of onion. Do you need a whole large onion? Maybe not. So then you cut up a little bit and then that leftover onion sits there and then it goes to waste, right? You might be paying $2 for that onion that you might be using like 20 cents of, right? Toasted onion here makes everything so much easier. So what it is real, let me not spill it here, dried up onions where, let's see, what is it again? 1 teaspoon of this is equal to, I believe it's 1/4 of a medium onion. So if you want, let's say a full onion's worth, if you're making something huge, you would do 4 teaspoons, you know. So a teaspoon is for 1/4 of a medium onion. That's it. And it tastes like onion. No more wasted onion ever again, sitting there getting old, yucky in your fridge. A must-have, toasted onion. We have the same type of thing. Did I put it in my little bag of goodies here? I got all kinds of stuff in here, you guys. So I don't know if I added it. No, I didn't. I apologize. But we have the same thing, that is minced garlic. How amazing. I cook garlic. I use that for everything. Yeah, pretty much everything. But it never fails. I will buy so much and then never use it all, or I will just always need more and then not have it. So the same thing in minced garlic. So a little bit is just so easy. And then when you're done, close it up, put it in your pantry, done, and then just open it up the next time you use it. The best thing ever. Another must-have, you guys, is make your own salad dressing. We have Caesar, I've seen, we have balsamic, we have all kinds. Caesar is my favorite. Don't buy those bottles from the store. If you're looking to even reduce your waste, perhaps, those bottles are waste, right? You use this, make your own Caesar dressing, no waste. You can always recycle this afterwards or put something else in there. It is a glass jar, so reduce waste. But it's just so much tastier, so much healthier. I know you guys can't see the label, but all it is for the ingredients is skim milk powder, garlic, herbs, red bell pepper, and black pepper. How healthy is that? I challenge you to go to the store, pick up a Caesar salad dressing bottle or pretty much any salad dressing bottle, read the ingredients, read the label, and there will be like a full label of crap, okay? Excuse my language. You don't want crap. You want healthy things, right? Make your own. It's so much easier, so much tastier, and add things in there that you can just add, or take things, you know, do whatever you want, make your own, the best thing ever. It will not go to waste. As you guys can see, it's like halfway there and I just purchased this. So the best thing ever. Okay, another must-have is cinnamon, okay? This is not just any cinnamon, this is healthy cinnamon. Again, I challenge you to go to the store, pick up a cinnamon, and read the label, you guys. There will be so much stuff in there you can't pronounce, yet all you want to buy is cinnamon. Guess what this has, you guys? Ingredients, cinnamon. I know you guys can't see that. I'm sorry. I can't focus for some reason here, but that's all it is, you guys, cinnamon. Add this to your coffee, tea, if you're baking anything, to your pancakes, to your French toast, to your eggs. Cinnamon is so healthy for you, you will thank me later. Another must-have are, we have so many sweet dip mixes, you guys. Carrot cake, it tastes like carrot cake, so much healthier. The sugar in here is 3 grams. That's it. If you go to the store and pick up any sweet dip mix, I've never even seen them, but if they had something like that, it would be so much more like sugar, salt, carbs, everything. This is so much healthier. And again, read the ingredients. Let me tell you, cane sugar, carrots, cinnamon, ginger, vanilla, and spices. Done. That's it, you guys. Healthy, easy. Add this to pancakes. Add this to yogurt. Make your own cheese ball. Add this to muffins, toast, as I said. What else could you add this to? Just top it on anything. Carrot cake. So much healthier, so much tastier, and won't go to waste. Okay, another must-have for me is our beef broth, okay? Maybe I'm the only one, but I would always have the best of intentions to make soups or something with my beef broth. I would go to the store, pick up those packages for like $1, but there's so much salt in them. But anyways, but I would never use the full package. Half of it would sit in the fridge because it does have to go in the fridge afterwards. It would be a waste. With this, you guys, make as little or as much as you want. Boil, let's say, 8 cups of water, put in 8 teaspoons, done. Your beef broth is right there. Smells so good, you guys. It's so much healthier for you. Close it up and done. You don't have to put this in the fridge. Read the label, so much healthier. And the ingredients are just like healthy. There's just nothing there except healthy goodness. We have beef broth, we have chicken broth, we have vegetable broth, and a miso broth, okay? Amazing stuff, you guys. I have all of them in my pantry for when I make soups. I like to add it to rice. The possibilities here are endless, you guys. A must have, save money, save time, and no more waste, because just take what you need. Okay, I add this to my salads. This is the only way, yes, it's true, that I will eat salads. Smoky roasted tomato nutritional yeast topper. Have you guys heard of nutritional yeast? Read on it, okay? Read up on it. Just sprinkle a little bit on wherever you can. It's the tastiest and so much healthier for you. It tastes so good. We have so many of these. We have herbs and garlic. We have this smoky roasted tomato, and we have so much more. This will change your salads. Put it on tomatoes. Put it on potatoes. Put it on veggies. Anything you like, so much tastier. And guess what, you guys? We have different salts, okay? Yes, salt isn't the best thing ever. It's always good to be sodium conscious. But if you're going to add salt, make it tasty. Maple bacon, the best salt ever. I just ordered another one, as you guys can see, because it's pretty much full. The plastic is still on. So good, you guys. I love salt. Yeah, bad, I know, but I do. EPICURE does have a lot of sodium conscious things, but when you can have salt and when you do, we have so many different types. Oh my goodness. The other one that I like is the herb and garlic sea salt, okay? Yum, yum. Okay, what else do I have here, you guys? I think I talked about these ones. Okay, so just a couple more to show you. We have popcorn seasoning. If you guys like snacks, okay, try to stay away from store-bought chips. Any snacks you can get from the store. Popcorn is a much healthier alternative, less waste, pretty much no waste. But if you need to add something else to your popcorn to make it tastier for the kids, for yourself, we have popcorn seasonings that are so much healthier than store-bought ones. Take as little or as much as you want. Another tip to your popcorn, instead of butter, add coconut oil. It almost tastes the same. It's very, very close, and you might even like it more. Okay, try it. Okay, another thing, you guys, SPG seasoning. You will add this to everything. Yes, everything. So salt and pepper and garlic. Who doesn't like salt and pepper? Who doesn't like garlic? I do. Add this to everything. It will make any dish you make taste amazing. And another, oh yes, another sweet dip mix. So remember when I talked to you guys about the carrot cake one? Add it to pancakes, toast, yogurt, anything. Summer berry is our best seller. It tastes so good. And guess what? This is new. Sweet banana bread. Who doesn't like banana bread? Homemade banana bread. You can put this in one of our silicone steamers, which I should have brought for you guys, because that is definitely a pantry must-have. Put it in our steamer for 10 minutes, depending on the microwave. I think for mine, it's about 8 minutes. The cake is done, tastes homemade. It is so soft, so amazing. Okay, we have a lot of these packages for desserts, for lasagna. We have soups. So basically, these packages, all you have to do is add a few ingredients, usually 3 or less, and in under 20 minutes, you will have a whole meal. So we have lasagna packages. We just have so many. We have soup packages. We have dessert packages. We have tons. Check them out, you guys. Amazing. So those are my pantry must-haves. I have a lot of pantry must-haves, but these just kind of sum it up. I can't hold all of them or I'm going to drop them. But definitely check this out, you guys. It will change your cooking game. Even if you just get a couple of them, you will love it. So I will leave the links for you guys on the bottom. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm so happy to help. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to click like, make sure to click subscribe so I know that people are actually watching, okay? Thank you guys. Have a good afternoon. Bye.